Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins, the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans ended Monday's session mostly steady to modestly higher, continuing to keep an eye out for any news on trade talks with China. We do know negotiations are going to resume in October, we just don't know the exact date at this point. Also, near-term crop weather looks generally non-threatening, but development remains slower than average heading into this year's harvest. Corn ended the session pretty narrowly mixed, mostly weak, also watching weather as we get closer and closer to widespread harvest activity. Mexico did buy more than 650,000 tons of U.S. corn on Monday morning, but didn't have much of an impact. And wheat did finish higher, supported by short covering and oversold signals. Still, it looks like export demand slowing down, but there are some forecasts for more spring wheat harvest delaying rain in parts of the northern plains. Live and feeder cattle ended the session mixed, mostly lower ahead of this week's widespread direct cash cattle business. Direct cash cattle markets were quiet. The big feature was the distribution of this week's new show list. Box beef was mixed at midday. And hogs ended the session mostly lower with another round of cash and wholesale pressure. Hogs are also waiting to see what's next with China. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.